Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us at the MarketSite studio in Times Square, New York City, we have Jan Roessner. He's the founder and CEO of One Earth Rising to discuss the next evolution of gaming. It is great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Hi, Jill. Thank you so much for having me.
And it's so exciting what's happening in the Web3 marketplace. Tell us more about One Earth Rising and what you're opening up here.
Yeah, so One Earth Rising is a Web3 entertainment and development company. So we come from the core gaming market, and we're looking forward to using new technology, Web3 technology, NFTs, blockchain, to enable gamers to own their game assets and open a whole new world around game development and impact.
So tell me more about Ownable Game Assets, or what's known as OGAs.
Yeah, so OGA is a term that we have created, and we want to obviously also bring into the public. That is on the basis of NFTs. So, but going back to all the conversation that has been happening in the market, many people don't understand the Web3 vernacular, and so we want to just help them and get back to the regular game talk and give them terms they understand. So Ownable Game Assets is really a game asset that you own, which is based on blockchain technology, and you can trade it, you can play with it, you can give it to somebody else, just as you would do it back in the days with physical games.
Let's talk about back in June when we met for NFT.NYC, because one of the things that impressed me most was your Annuity for Change program, which brings purpose to the market that you're looking to open up. Tell us more about that.
Yes, so One Earth Rising started as a social gaming company. So all of our games and the platform have at least the aim not to do harm and also connect to social impact causes. And what that does here on the blockchain technology is that we can use the fees that are normally generated in the secondary market that go back to the creators. We will use those fees in instances to go directly to nonprofit organizations, and with that create an annuity for change and create revenue for those organizations on a regular basis.
Let's talk about some challenges here to wrap up. I mean, the crypto environment certainly has been volatile. There's a little bit of fear out there. It has been challenging. What's One Earth's Rising take on the current environment?
We're actually very much excited about the current environment. The market needed to have a correction to the downwards because it was just overinflated and was a bubble. And so we see this right now. The technology that the NFT and Web3 environment is using is incredible, and it will definitely define the future of gaming. And now we have the opportunity to move from a very selected collector's market into a mass market, reducing the cost of NFTs or OGAs, and really get to millions of gamers and represent pricing that they're used to on the regular game platforms.
All right, Jan, it's great to have you back in New York City with us. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.